Summer is coming and it feels like an oven in my car. I feel like I'm baking like a rotisserie chicken whenever I get inside my car. I even took the sunshade that is included in my blackout camping kit. But you know what? Ouch! Ouch! I hate this thing. Thanks to the team at Hansshow, they sent me this bad boy. This is the automatic front sunshade, and it came in this heavy duty PVC pipe. So we're gonna open it up and see what comes inside. In here, there's a paper that shows a tutorial and also a video on how to do it. You can also ask for any help if you need so. Next one is a bag filled with components and accessories to keep it secured in your car. And the big bad boy is the actual automatic sunshade that goes inside your car. As you can see here, this is the button to open and close the front sunshade, and this is to cut off the power. This plug goes to your OBD port, and over here is a suction cup, and over here is to lock in place this automatic front sunshade. So let's go ahead and install it in the car. I want to let you know that what you need is going to be a screwdriver as well as a pry tool. Let's go ahead and put it inside the car. What we're gonna do first is actually try out the fitment, if the sunshade is going to cover the whole window or it's gonna stop at a certain point, and we're gonna adjust it the way how we want it. And if you want to stop it in this way or maybe lower, you can do that as well. We're gonna go ahead and remove the rubber band. Then next, we're gonna put the OBD plug inside of the OBD port. We are going to align it where we would like the automatic front sunshade to be. And then from there, we are going to turn on the device. Make sure that you press this button all the way in. That means that it's on, that it's getting power. And then press the on and off button. So we're going to try to align the sunshade all the way up here to make sure that that happens. As you can see right here, there's an arrow. This arrow indicates where you can adjust how high you would like the sunshade. So I'm gonna move it up a few times. Okay, from there, let's go ahead and see and test it out if it works.
Baby, that was too much.
Fuck!
A few moments later.
Alright, so we found a new hack. What you're gonna do by the arrow, just put this in like so, and then you're gonna push it in the gear. You're gonna feel the gear move, and that's what you want. Let's go ahead and try this out. Alright, so I think I'm pretty happy with that. It's touching right here. This one as well. I think that's the most it's gonna do. And if you really want it to be secured, you can just bring this out just like that. Alright, so it doesn't stop there because we do need to hide the wires. We want to make sure that this does not look like a science experiment. So first, unscrew it. Oh, that's way too much. But it's gonna allow us to move this around to make sure that this leg can hold the placement of this, like so. And when you're happy with that, we are going to screw it back on. Alright, so now the other side. Move around the leg and screw it back when you're happy with the alignment. So the next one is, when you're happy with the alignment, you're gonna grab your baggie. You're going to get a few items here, these two and this one. To use these little knobby things, you're going to put it on the screw, just like that. And for this one, just attach it on the back of this button. Wipe off the area that we want to stick it on. We're gonna remove the 3M sticker backing, and once that's removed, we're gonna go ahead and apply it on the car. So I think I'm happy with this alignment, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it on there. And you can place it here or anywhere you would like, but I'm gonna place it right here. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and move this cable out the way because I want it on here. So I'm gonna remove this gasket as well. I'm gonna hook the cable away from there, and it's just gonna be like so. Bring it down. For your Tesla, you're not going to have this plastic. This is an aftermarket that I got from Temu, which is going to be a video coming up soon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hide it inside of there as well. This right here, the carbon fiber plastic, it's actually velcroed in. That's why it's kind of hard to move around, but I'm kind of happy with that already. I am gonna put back the gasket, and then from here I'm just going to clean up this cable that you can see right there. And from there you can see that it doesn't even look like it's in there. The only thing that you will see is the OBD port that is connecting the plug. If you go up, so just like that, it's all connected. So what do I think about the sunshade? It's fairly easy to install. Adjusting the length is a bit tricky, but once I realized that you can adjust it while it's on the dash, it's fairly easy. Now, what I really like about this sunshade is it won't mess up your factory warranty. I definitely tested the durability of this product. I messed up the alignment a couple of times, making it too tall, and bent the frames a good bit while testing it out. But I'm really happy with how it held up. It showed that it can handle some beatings and still function properly afterwards. It works pretty good with pulling itself up and down, even though it is a bit noisy. The button is responsive and very simple to use. So let's talk about aesthetics. It's a sunshade. Since this one is not designed to be taken off and on like other sunshade, it isn't completely seamless. That's a trade-off if you want a hassle-free sunshade. I don't think any aftermarket automatic sunshade will particularly look OEM on a car. The only thing I don't like about this one is it does block some of the ambient lighting on the dash. As you can see, this product is $249.99 on the website. But with my discount code of JO Wheels, you can get 20% or $50 off. So it comes out to be $200. I think this is worth it if you're going to be using this on the daily. I did have the manual sunshade and I found it to be a hassle to put it on and off, so I intended to not put it at all. But this sunshade, all you have to do is push a button. I'll definitely be using this more since summer is here, because it is worth to protect my car's interior and keep it cooler. Overall, it's a solid product if you value utility over aesthetics, and if you use it every single day. Now, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button.